Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use VEO 3 to create a video of you talking, I guess. So go to labs.google first, and then you're just going to add your image. Oh, wait, frames to video. And then you're going to add your image here. And I'm just going to crop and save here as well. And then you're going to type in this, like speaking in an American accent or whatever accent it is or language you speak, and then select the, type in the text you wanted to say. Unfortunately, I cannot generate it because I don't have credits, but you're just going to generate that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go to 11 Labs here, and you're going to save that video and your voice, and you're going to change the voice to your own voice. If you don't have that already, I think you can do your own voices here. Create or clone a voice, and then you can do that. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.